Everyone, welcome back to another episode of Shamwari Lockdown Series. So there were a couple of requests for a couple of videos and information on giraffe. So Greta, Sophie and Kathy, this one's for you. So as a field guide, I have to tell myself almost every day, don't take these animals for granted. We see them so often that we just think they're completely normal, but if you've never seen a giraffe before, I mean, look at it. It makes no sense. But when you watch them living and being in nature, they are just perfectly designed. So this little baby that we found this morning is pretty darn new. If you look closely, you can actually see his ossicles are flat on his head, and he's still got about a 30 centimeter piece of umbilical cord attached to him. So giraffe are the largest and tallest ruminants. Big males are well over 5 meters in height, and they can weigh anywhere between 1.1 and 1.8 tons. The social life of giraffe is generally dictated by quite loose social aggregations. Females and their offspring come together with other females. They'll stay in a group for a little while, then they'll break off and join up with another group. Just as long as they're feeling safe. Obviously, dominant males fight for dominance through necking. We often see giraffe doing necking with their ossicles and fighting with one another. That's to get mating rights, and dominant males are the only ones allowed to mate. On Shamwari, we've got the southern giraffe. Through the latest genetic research, scientists have now said there are 4 separate species of giraffe and 5 subspecies. The Maasai, the southern, the northern and the reticulated, and then obviously the 5 subspecies. And each one has their own unique tapestry and pattern. It's as unique as a fingerprint. Giraffe love feeding on acacias or the Vachellia carus. Those incredibly long thorns are there to protect the plant because it's so nutritious. And high in protein, but 45 centimeter long tongue of a giraffe has no hassle getting through that. Giraffe lie down to sleep for generally quite short periods of time, maybe 5 to 20 minutes at a time, and that's when they can be most vulnerable to predation. Well, I hope you enjoyed the latest video that we've put out. I am hopefully going to be getting out into the bush as quickly as I can to get more info, more videos and more topics for you guys. So keep hitting that like button, stay safe, and we'll hopefully see you all soon.